In terms of raising awareness, in terms of letting people have a look, because I tend to find a lot of things like this is actually about it's feeling it, touching it. It's not something that you should be reading in a book. It's something that's tactile, and you should be going there, touching the insulation, looking at the different technologies that are out there, and understand actually how they work, how that thickness of insulation helps your home's performance, because sustainability isn't about grandiose gestures at a macro level. They're about what people do in real life. Just insulating your loft is enough to turn around and cut your energy bills. Just small bits like that can make an unquantifiable amount of good. And I think that these events do raise that public awareness, both through industry, both through the public sector, the private sector, and the general public, because there's students here, there's members of the public that come in and probably come year on year. And you have a dissemination of information from industry experts to try and share some of that knowledge, because that's the point. It's about sharing the knowledge, putting it out there so that people know what they're supposed to be doing, because they'll buy into it. How many places have I ever been where I see a house slap bang in the middle of an arena? It doesn't often happen. I mean, it's nice to see the variety, not only of the things that people are coming out with, and the fact there's a gentleman over there sitting on the first floor of a house in the middle of a centre on his mobile phone. I mean, you can't see that anywhere else. And I like the fact that people are promoting what they're doing, how they're trying to innovate, yeah? And that makes me feel positive for the future, because I think that we can't just sit on our laurels. We need to get some of this stuff out there, and I think Ecobuild has got a high profile and people know about it, and they come here and they see what they can do at small or large scales.